Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon and enjoy our complete Ielts course for free. On this channel, you will get daily listening, reading, and speaking practice tests, new cue cards, intro and follow-up questions, variety of vocabulary for high band score, Ielts test questions which are being asked all over the globe, and a lot more. You can also join our WhatsApp broadcast or Telegram group. The link is pinned in comment section as well as in video description. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe and join now. Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. This video is all about the follow-up questions for the very important and most popular cue card. Describe something that was broken in your home and then got repaired. This is the new cue card added in the list for January to April 2022. So I have got some of the follow-up questions along with their samples for this cue card. So let's have a look. So the first question, follow-up question regarding this cue card is the quality of product worse than before? That means कि जो आजकल के प्रोडक्ट्स हैं उनकी जो क्वालिटी है वो अगर उनको पास से कंपेयर करें तो उनकी क्वालिटी पहले से अभी ज़्यादा अच्छी आती है या फिर उससे भी ज़्यादा ख़राब आती है कि वो जल्दी टूट जाते हैं. So the simple answer could be, in the recent years, the central focus on the manufacturers remains on two things. Firstly, their attention is on strengthening their bottom line. Due to this, they are paying less heed to the quality of products they produce. And moreover, there is no denying this conviction that customers focus more on features than quality. That is why the products come loaded with features but have inferior quality. सो इसका मतलब ये है कि आजकल के जितने मैन्युफैक्चरर्स हैं वो ज़्यादातर यही देखते हैं कि उनकी जो बॉटम लाइन वो उसको स्ट्रॉन्ग करने में उनका ज़्यादा फोकस रहता है. एंड जो बेसिकली किसी भी प्रोडक्ट की क्वालिटी उस पर वो इतना फोकस नहीं डालते. एंड जो बायर्स होते हैं उनको वो भी ज़्यादा क्या करते हैं कि वो किसी प्रोडक्ट के फीचर्स देखते हैं, ये नहीं देखते उसकी क्वालिटी कितनी अच्छी है, बट उसकी फीचर्स देख के वो उससे अट्रैक्ट हो जाते हैं और वो प्रोडक्ट ले लेते हैं. बट उसकी क्वालिटी वो चेक नहीं करते तो यूजली उसकी क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं होती एंड दे गेट ब्रोकन. Alright, so the second question is, what kind of things do people like to repair by themselves? Or the question could be also like that, like to talk about the people, that what kind of people usually repair things by themselves, कि कैसी चीज़ों को लोग खुद उसकी रिपेयर करना पसंद करते हैं या फिर ऐसे कौन से लोग हैं जो अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को खुद ही रिपेयर कर लेते हैं. So the sample answer could be, mainly those people who love to play with screwdrivers and nuts usually prefer to repair at home instead of hiring mechanic services. That जिन लोगों को ऐसा क्रेज होता है, they love to play with screwdrivers and nuts, तो वो यूजली क्या करते हैं, खुद ही रिपेयर करना पसंद करते हैं instead of hiring a mechanic services. So you can talk about any machinery product like over here, any mechanical thing, any machinery that usually needs screwdrivers etc. So ऐसी चीज़ों का आप बात कर सकते हैं कि जिन लोगों को इस चीज़ का क्रेज है and they love to play with them or they love to do these kind of things. So they usually repair their products by themselves. So the third, or I would say the last possible question could be, why do people like to get their mobile phones repaired in specialized stores? That's a common thing कि जो लोग हैं वो अपना मोबाइल फ़ोन को specialized store, that means कि if your mobile phone is from a specific brand like from Apple, Samsung, OnePlus, whatever, so you want to get your mobile repaired in a specialized store that is in the specialized store of that brand. So why people like to do that? So the possible sample answer for this is, the people like to get their mobile phones repaired in authorized stores due to two reasons. Firstly, they have this fear in mind that the warranty would be void, and another notable reason is trust. People have this implied faith that specialized stores have genuine parts and experienced repair persons, and due to this reason they visit such stores. दिस मीन्स कि जो पीपल होते हैं, उन जो लोग होते हैं, उनके जो अपने मोबाइल फ़ोन्स को ऑथराइज्ड स्टोर्स में रिपेयर करवाने की यूजली दो रीजंस हो सकते हैं. फर्स्टली कि उनमें एक फियर होता है कि अगर वो बाहर से रिपेयर करवाएंगे तो उनकी जो प्रोडक्ट की वारंटी है वो ख़त्म हो जाएगी एंड उसकी जो वारंटी दैट वुड बी वॉइड. एंड द सेकंड रीज़न कुड बी दैट कि उनको ये भी मतलब सब में ट्रस्ट होता है कि अगर हम फ़ोन की ऑथराइज स्टोर से रिपेयर करवाएंगे सो तो ऑफकोर्स कि उनके पास जो फ़ोन के प्रोडक्ट्स हैं वो ओरिजिनल होंगे एंड उनके जो रिपेयर पर्सन होंगे वो भी जेन्युइन एंड एक्सपीरियंस्ड होंगे. सो यही जो दो रीज़न हो सकते हैं कि अब लोग अपना जो मोबाइल फ़ोन है वो ऑथराइज स्टोर से रिपेयर करवाना पसंद करते हैं रादर दैन एनी अदर स्टोर्स. So that was all about the samples of the follow-up question for this cue card. I will be back soon with the part 1 question for this cue card and for other cue cards as well. So make sure you have subscribed and press the bell icon. It's completely free to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Don't forget to ask your queries in comment section.